Hello, welcome to the tutorial on Estate Association Management App using RADZEN BLAZOR WEB ASSEMBLY and SQL Server. In the first lesson, I will be creating the database and I will create the starting BLAZOR WEB Assembly app. So I'm already logged into SQL Server. So I'll right click on Object Explorer and I'm saying new query. I'm going to paste the query I want to use. So I'm going to paste it here now. So here we go. So first of all, we use master database. After that, we'll create Estate Society DB as a database. After we create the database, we are going to use the newly created database called Estate Society DB. Then we'll create a table called streets. We'll create another table called positions. We'll create another table called genders. We'll create another table called titles. We'll create another table called amenities. This amenities table has a foreign key relationship with street table. We'll create another table called religious organizations. We'll create another table called houses. We'll create another table called residents. We'll create another table called executives. We'll create another table called security offices. We'll create another table called gates. We'll create another table called visitors. Then we'll create another table called income types. Then we'll create another table called incomes. We'll create another table called expenditure types. We'll create another table called expenditures. Then we'll create another table called Nigerian states. So now, having done that, taking you through the database creation script, I will now click execute. So command completed successfully. So now I will head over to RADZEN BLAZOR Studio. Now I'm going to click on new application. So let me use .NET 9. Whether I use .NET 8 or .NET 9, I've opted for .NET 9. I'm creating a web assembly app. So I'm going to call it Estate Society App. Let me use material 3 dark. Let me create it on my C drive. Estate Society app. I click finish. Okay, now that the app is ready, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the app to my SQL Server database. So use MS SQL. Next, server is dot, which means the SQL Server is on my computer. Authentication type is still SQL login. SA username. database. State Society DB. Then I'm going to click on next. Click on next. Generate pages for CRUD. Then I click on next. I'm going to select all entities. I'm going to change the date format. Then I click finish. So the application is ready once again. I'll click run button now. So you can see it's telling you building. So finally, the starting app has launched. Let me click on the link for amenities. You click on adding a new amenity. This is how it looks like. Thank you for watching.